To help people overcome their psychological challenges, we first need to understand the nature of human beings. This involves understanding the development of human and our needs, emotions, and the core structure of our personalities. In psychology, this is known as the theory of personality. Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Nowruzi, and today I want to discuss the nature of human beings and the theory of personality from a psychodynamic perspective. Over billions of years of evolution, emotions have been the key factor in the survival of organisms on Earth. Emotions have a deep evolutionary history, making them fundamental to who we are. These emotions and needs are functional and were shaped to help us survive. These emotions formed and persisted because of their role in the survival of individuals and species. Fear, for example, helped living beings avoid danger. Anger drove them to defend themselves and their families. Sadness allowed for reflection and recovery. And love and sexual desire ensured reproduction and the survival of the species. On the other hand, as human beings, we have also developed civilized societies over the past few thousand years. Living in a civilized society means we need to regulate, adjust, or sometimes even suppress these emotions and needs. The conflict between the rules of the societies and human natural emotions and needs creates tension and anxiety. As Freud said, anxiety is the cost of civilization. From childhood, we develop defense mechanisms to cope with this anxiety. Over time, these mechanisms form the foundation of our personalities. The earlier these defenses develop in childhood, the more primitive and consequently more immature and dysfunctional they tend to be. This can lead to the development of an immature personality. Additionally, one of the most fundamental human needs across all cultures is the need for relatedness. This need occurs since childhood, that is called need for attachment. Depending on the nature of the relationship between the child and the caregivers, they may develop a secure or insecure attachment style. Disruption in attachment and unmet attachment needs, such as love, connection, and safety, or problems people face in their interpersonal relationships, can lead to painful emotions and feelings which may need to be dealing with defense mechanisms. Another crucial factor in the development of our personality is the role of unconscious. Many painful and unacceptable experiences like traumas, failure in attachment needs, and frustrations in interpersonal relationships, along with their effects, emotions, and feelings, are repressed and kept out of conscious awareness. These repressed memories and emotions don't simply disappear. They remain and continue to affect our behavior and reactions, often outside of our conscious control. Recently, a British scientist published a book called The Master and His Emissary. In it, he refers to the right brain as the master and the left brain as the emissary. The left brain controls verbal communication and mostly is related to logical reasoning, while the right brain processes feelings and emotions. Therefore, it can be said that our repressed emotions are kept in the right brain beyond the reach of the left brain's logic and control. These repressed feelings unconsciously shape our behavior and reactions. They also manifest in our body language and nonverbal communications and affect our mood and interpersonal relationships. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of the development of personality. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and follow for more content on mental health and therapy. See you next time.